Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is minus 19 raised to power n equals 19. You have to find the value of n. For this purpose, we will solve this question as, first of all, we will write this as minus 19 as minus 1 multiply 19 whole power is n equals 19. Now we can split this power as a multiply b whole power is n equals a raised to power n into b raised to power n. It's mean that minus 1 raised to power n and 19 raised to power n equals 19. Now in the next step we will solve this as we will apply the Euler identity, that is e raised to power iota pi plus 1 equals 0. So minus 1 will be equals e raised to power iota pi. So we will substitute the value of minus 1, that is e raised to power iota pi, and whole power is n into 19 raised to power n equals 19. Now in the next step we will multiply this power, because a raised to power m into n can be write as a raised to power mn. So we get e raised to power iota pi n into 19 raised to power n equals 19. Now in the next step we will solve this as we will find the value of n. For this we will take ln on both sides. So take ln on both sides, we will get ln e raised to power iota pi n into 19 and ln 19. Now in the next step we will solve this as, according to the log rule, when ln into a cross b equals ln a plus ln b. So we will apply on this multiplication. So get ln e raised to power iota pi n into, it will be plus ln 19 equals ln 19. And its power is 19 raised to power n. Now power is in the start according to the log rule. So iota pi n ln e plus n ln 19 equal ln 19. Now we can take n is common from this. So remaining is iota pi ln e plus ln 19 equals ln 19. Now ln e equals 1. So iota pi plus ln 19 equals ln 19. Now we have to find the value of n. So n equals ln 19 and this will be multiplied here, it will be divided. So iota pi plus ln 19. So this is the final answer. We will write this here. N equals ln 19 divided by iota pi plus ln 19. So this is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for you.